is Galileo Galilei. I was born on February 15th, 1564 in Pisa, Italy. At age 10, I went to school at a monastery and then went to the University of Pisa, but did not graduate because of financial reasons. That did not stop me from writing my first book, The Little Balance, in 1586. I also made my first invention, the geometrical and military compass. Soon enough, I learned of a Dutch telescope and built my own, 32 times stronger. I used my new telescope to look into space and discovered that the moon was a sphere and had mountains and craters, that Venus had phases, and that Jupiter has moons orbiting it. This proved the theory that everything orbits Earth is wrong, and that the Copernican theory is true. I also got a job at the University of Pisa, where I came up with the idea of experimenting theories to prove them. In 1613, I wrote a letter to a student explaining that my work did not contradict the scriptures, but I inclined that science provided a more accurate perspective. In 1616, I was ordered not to hold, teach, or defend in any manner the Copernican theory because of that letter. I then published a book called Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, which was an argument between three people, one for the Copernican theory, one against it, and one who was neutral. I implied that the Copernican supporter wins. In September 1632, I was summoned to the Inquisition, which lasted 8 months until I finally admitted that my book supported the Copernican theory. I was then sentenced to house arrest for the rest of my life. While under house arrest, I wrote my last book, Two New Sciences, which by the time it was published, I was both blind and in ill health. I died on January 8th, 1642, at my house in Arcetri, near Florence, Italy.